As we all know, the digital transformation has begun with the 1960s. During those days, it was more focused on the raw material supply side. But after certain years, it became not enough for companies. Therefore, they have started with the MRP2s within the early 80s. That was more focused on the production departments and advanced production planning. And later on, with the starting of 1990s, the ERPs, the enterprise resource planning, have been implemented into companies with the departments like payroll, supply chain, finance, accounting, etc. But with the 2000s, we have seen that ERPs are mainly focused on the back office side. Means that we have still on the front office side our demands open. As you can see here and also on this screen, that ERP has their solutions mainly focused on the back office side, and it's a good solution. Well, but on the front office side, we have still our demands open. Why? Because we have to work with several applications. There is an application for the HR side. There is another one for the sales side. There is another one for the marketing side. And this causes us big problems. Why? Because we have several applications, and each of these applications have their own database. And each of these database has a different structure. And implementing these structures into one understandable data structure is not a simple case, because each of them has so-called different language. So this causes us a silent experience, and we will have a scattered data because they have all separate locations, separate data structure. We have long learning curves because each of these applications have their own style of doing business. So the employees, also we as the partners, have to learn them. And as I said at the beginning, we will have integration problems as the data are differentiated in between. The communication is very poor. And one of the most important things is that we will have high costs because each of these applications have to be licensed. And this causes high costs for companies, for the CEOs. It's a case that they would like to handle very carefully. The screenshot at the bottom is a screenshot of mine what I was working a few years ago, that I have to work with several applications. And if somebody was asking me a question, and then when I came back, I was wondering where I left and have to start from new. And this was a big problem for me because I was losing time and time. So I'm sure that most of these companies have these kind of problems. Maybe also you on the partner side will have these problems as well. We come here with a solution to you, and this is called CloudOffix. CloudOffix is a solution that is, according to Gartner, one of the first and only low-code total experience platform. What we mean with total experience and low code will be explained in a few minutes, but let me first introduce you the main screen of CloudOffix. You can see it on the PC and also on the mobile. This means whenever you have an internet connection, you will have your solutions, your office always video or in your PC, wherever you are. You just need an internet connection. If you are a company that has a chance to combine the customer experience, the employee experience, the digital experience, and the user experience under one unified umbrella, then you can talk about a total experience. This is a very important case nowadays because we don't have a customer which is coming from external side. Also, we as the employee are a customer for the companies. because the customer has to have a good journey for the purchase side, but we as the employees must have an experience, a good experience to be able to make the best working day as possible. And this is combined and unified with the total experience. And combining these four experiences together will bring you a big success in the unified experience side. Let me introduce you the main screen of CloudOffix. As you can see, we have 8 different clouds, means the modules of CloudOffix. At the very first beginning, I would like to mention that there is the possibility that the company, your customer, will start using with one module. So there is no need to purchase all of these modules at once. The customer may start with a certain cloud, then add their additional clouds later on. But the main structure is like this, that we have one database, and this database is located in the social cloud. And as all of these clouds, modules are natively integrated, there is no need for an additional integration within CloudOffix for another module to work properly. They are natively integrated. And you will see a 360 degrees view on all of the applications. What I mean with this is, for example, if you are in CRM, you will see what the customer has purchased, what you sold him, your quotations, his subscriptions. If you have Marketing Cloud implemented, integrated, then you will see your marketing automations with the customer, your email marketings, your events. The social cloud is the kernel or heart of our database. So you have the contacts located in the social cloud. And these contacts are separated to all of the cloud. So even if you are in CRM, you will be having the same data. In marketing, also the same. So you will not see one person in separate databases with several different informations about this contacts. There is one database that is separating, spreading the information on all over the cloud. Let me shortly introduce you the clouds in a little detail. As I said, the social cloud is the heart. Social cloud facilitates all internal and external communication with features like one-on-one chat, group chat, teleconferencing system, and shared calendar. The Sales Cloud manages your entire sales process from opportunity and activity management to quote and contract management. With the e-commerce cloud, you can easily and quickly bring your sales online on the market. The Helpdesk is a significant role player in connecting both internal and external customers through various channels like emailing, telephone, manually, or whatever, and can bring your feedback such as complaints, suggestions, or support requests into customer satisfaction. The Project Cloud enables you to manage internal and even external projects more efficiently, more agilely, and you can easily track your tracking project costs, timesheets, and project risks as well. The HR, one of the common modules in CloudOffix, provides all the tools you might need for successful digital self-service HR solutions, such as performance management, leave management, expense management, and recruitment. Finally, the Invoicing Cloud can easily manage your invoices and payments if you are not running an ERP system internally. Well, I have been explaining the total experience side. but we have also the low-code side. What does it mean? Low-code solution is mainly structured in this app builder. So to use and to manage, to customize CloudOffix, you don't need to be a well-known coder. What you just need to know is how to drag and drop your data. And this is simply done with the app builder that is integrated. With the app builder, you can manage each of your applications by single and simple drag and drop solutions. You can add your data wherever you would like to have it, or you can also even create an application from scratch. You might say that one of these applications is not enough for you. You can add your applications on your own as well. This is not a case where you have to be trained for a few working hours, just by simple steps. As I said, drag and drop. That's all. I would like to continue with the very famous case for nowadays, the AI. AI is also integrated in CloudOffix, and this is one of the most greatest values for us. As everybody's talking about AI, it is not something that we just talk about. It's something that we also use it actively. Our AI in CloudOffix is not a normal AI that everybody's talking about nowadays on the market. It's an autonomous, it's generative AI. It can think like you, it can react like you, because it is directly integrated in CloudOffix. And with this, you will have your training data directly integrated. So if you would like to ask a question to AI, it will collect the data from ChatGPT 4.0, but also from your company data, because the data in your database will be a training data for it. Therefore, your questions in AI will be more precise for you. It will be more focused on your business. But definitely, the AI concentrated on your platform, on your database, must be centralized. What does this mean? Maybe this will be a question for all of you. This is something that you have to combine with your total experience platform, because the data in normal AI structures are decentralized. Because at the beginning, as I said, we have several applications running on a company. This causes the AI to be centralized, because marketing is another database, project is another database, HR is a very other database, etc. But here on CloudOffix, you can see under the total AI that all the data is centralized in AI. So there is no long ways to run for this. The data is directly combined and connected. Therefore, we would call this also total AI. Well, let me come to the partnership. Why you should be a partner for us. As I've been mentioning with the several applications that a company might use, it's the same case for you too, because you will have several partnerships. Means that if a customer has a problem, or an integration request, he will come to you with the request for an application. You might be saying, for example, Monday for one of his requests, another one for Survey Sparrow, another one for SAP CRM, etc. Well, what will this bring? This will bring, again, an integration problem with you, because each of these database applications, platforms, have another data structure. The employees will have they are complaining on this because they have to get knowledge on all of these applications. You will lose very much time in integrating them and customizing. Most of these applications might not be customizable. Or the customer may decide to buy another application from another vendor, and you will lose your customers as well. Or the customer may not want to make a renew subscription on it because it will be too complicated for him. Additionally, you will have also revenue streams. You as a partner may be running CloudOffix and getting big revenues as well. On this page, you can see how you can separate your business. And for all of these steps, you will be the first person getting these revenues. At the very end, I would like to say also that we are running globally. Means we have around 200 companies running CloudOffix already, and we have nearly 10,000 active users daily. You might be also one of our partners around the world, starting this job with us, running with us, and having your revenues. Well, that was from my side. Thanks for being here with us again. And I would like to hand over to Özge and wish all a happy day, a very Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. Bye.
Thank you so much to Levent for the wonderful presentation. I'm Özge, I'm the Partner Channel Manager at CloudOffix. Today I will be guiding you through an express demo session. It's a hands-on experience using a demo account of mine to explore the Total Experience platform. As Levent mentioned, CloudOffix is a low-code total experience platform designed to provide business with an integrated and automated solution for seamless operations. So let me share my screen to show you how it looks our platform. Can you see my screen now? Please confirm it.
Yes, we are able to see it.
Perfect. Now we are looking at the main screen of CloudOffix. So we will be going through several modules during this session. We will explore various processes from like the sales to the HR. One of the key aspects here is that the modules are natively integrated with each other. It's a really powerful feature of us. So everything in CloudOffix works seamlessly to provide more connected experience for all users. So business have the option to use a single cloud, or they can use all of them, thereby achieving a complete digital transformation on their operations. So we say that real magic happens when you use all of them, but you don't have to. You can start with one, then you can extend your usage according to your needs. So in this demo, we will experience that how everything is connected within the same platform. We will start by creating a lead in the marketing module and see how it transitions into an opportunity, then into a sale within the CRM. And after the closing the deal, we will explore how the project for that product or service is managed internally, all while staying in the same platform. So as you can see, our platform is features beautifully designed. We have modern user interface. If you compare it to some of leading products in the market today, we offer more truly a next generation cloud platform. So now I am admin. This is my demo account, so I have full visibility on everything on the platform. You can see all the clouds, but of course, not everyone will see all these features. So our platform has highly detailed permission systems, ensuring that users only have access to information relevant to their roles. So you can set permission for a salesperson, for example, foresee the CRM and all the modules in the Sales Cloud, but you can prevent them to see project management system, for example. So at CloudOffix, we place a high priority on three key aspects: Today, I will do my best to highlight them. First one is fostering collaboration. You will have the collaboration feature in every page, every module at CloudOffix. And the second one is providing to 360-degree view of customer. I will show you how we're powerful on this. And offering native applications to manage entire customer journey. So while I won't be able to cover like every detail of the solution in the session, but we will continue offering webinars and we can specialize the more meeting focused on the specific areas. And we have QA session after the demo. So let me begin with the context. So regardless of which cloud you use, starting with the context is essential because all these clouds work off the same contact data, which means we don't have separate contact data for different operations. Now, since this is a demo account, let me show my contacts here. Since this is a demo account, we have like few contact data here, but I'm sure you will have like in your case, you may have thousands or even millions of contacts. So you will be able to manage all of them seamlessly from there. So this could be like individuals, companies, or like the suppliers. The possibilities are limitless. When you work with such a large data set, and grouping and filtering become crucial, right? For example, I can filter down. I just want to see the companies, or I just want to see the vendors, for example. Let's filter with the companies. No, I just view the company and I can also group them by country. As you can see here, we have the grouping view. And if you don't have any data inside, I can change it with just drag and drop, and the inside information will change by CloudOffix automatically. So you can do your adjustments by drag and drops as well. And I want to show you our list view. You will also have the list view when filtering and grouping is still on the case. As you can see, it's like a traditional view of the data as the other tools. And also, we have Google Map integration here. We also have the map view as well. So as a vision, our vision is to keep users within CloudOffix as much as possible, ensuring they can find everything they need right there. So that's why we are also integrated with the well-known third-party services, such as Google Maps here, which you can see your all data in a group way. Also, we have the little human icon here. We have Street View as well with just drags and drops. You can go and check the place if there is any park space, or if you want to buy a coffee before the meeting, you can check a couple places. And you can also extend the user cases according to your needs. It's a great place to go, by the way. Let's turn back to our Kanban view. So you might let me start with the first view. You can already notice that we have some small icons here. Every icon represents a different action related to the contact. For example, the star icon represents the opportunities linked to the contact, while the calendar icon represents the meetings scheduled and done before. We link all actions within the platform to contact in order to provide true 360-degree view of customers. So without even opening the contact card, you can already access a lot of information. Now let's go ahead and open up a contact card and explore further. I have an example for you. Here also you can like search like this as well. Here we have our, let's see, example. As you can see, this is how it looks, our contact card, right? In this section, you can see like some basic details about contact. One of the great things about CloudOffix is that everything here is like customizable. For example, you might want to add a new file for something like the customer birthday here. And you will have basic data for your contact. You can extend your data according to your demands, and you can remove them according to your demands. For example, you might want to add a new file like a birthday. You can easily add that file by yourself. You also notice that there are different tabs for additional information. So you can create a new tabs, design workflows, or add new files that suits your business needs. So what else? You can even remove the files. The beauty of this that with our app builder, you have the flexibility to adjust everything as you see fit. Let me show you how easily I can access the app builder. I will go there, and with just one click, I'm able to design my page according to my needs, right? I can add new workflows, icons, everything, because every business have their own unique operations. So CloudOffix really improved on the customization side. So you can customize everything with the app builder. So let's dive into some details about this contact. So you will have the top structure on the left side. It allows me to access everything related to the contact in one glance. Each of these tabs represent a specific action or interaction tied to this contact. So it gives us a comprehensive overview without having a dig through multiple areas, right? I don't need to go any other platform. The star icon, the opportunities tab, show me if I have any opportunities with lazy flow. I have a meeting information. I can go there and see the record, see the script, see the detail of my meeting schedule. And I have sales information here. I can go check the sales detail there. I have chat history. If I had a chat with Lacey before, I can go and check it. And we have tasks. It's related to Project Cloud. If I have any project related to this specific contact, I can go for the further. And we have web builder feature inside, so you can publish a website, design it with our CMS. In every page of CloudOffix, you will have this opportunity. And here, mailing contacts. If I invite Leslie for any mass mailing campaign before, I can see here and go to check the details. I have events tabs here. If I run an event campaign, and if it's related to Leslie, I can go check it. We have sales subscription, survey, I can check the surveys Leslie involved, and courses. If she take any courses, I can go see them. Even invoices, I can go to check invoice details. And you see the support ticket here. It's related to Helpdesk. The two represent that Lacey opened 2 tickets. Maybe she need a support or have a complaint or something. 2 represent the tickets opened, and the 1 represent the ticket we answer, right? And we have page views. We can see the interaction. She interested our page. We can go and see the statistic about that. Rather than that, we can add internal notes, everything. So on the left side, we have all tab structure to go to see every interaction tied with the Lacey. So let me show you the detailed way. Let's go one of them. As you can see here, I have all information about the sales. Even I can go further like this. I can check the all mailings about all the information about the invoices, unit measure, tax information. I can see the quotation, and even I can check the delivery project about the sales. And I can go further, but if I want to go back, I don't miss my way. I just follow the navigation area here, and I can easily turn back to my contact card. So on the left, you will have all these control mechanism, but on the right side, we have collaboration functionality. So I'm sure we can all agree that collaboration isn't just nice to have feature, it's must to have. And while tools like other communication tools widely used for business communication, CloudOffix takes collaboration to another level with our context-based collaboration system you see here. So what does it mean? It means even from the creation of this contact, you will have to see every information about the contact. You can hear log note for your colleagues. For example, you can basically mention your salesperson like this. Let's take the sales assistant and contact. Once I do this, the salesperson gets an instant notification both on their mobile app and web application. With this system, the salesperson never has to ask questions like, has a sales been made before, or where is this contact from? Because like everything is right here in the context-based collaboration area, accessible in real time. So this saves time and ensures everyone is on the same page while working. But this isn't only way you can collaborate with your colleagues. We also offer some private chats and channel structure. Let me show them. When I log it, she or he will be get notified immediately. And other ways you can collaborate with your colleagues is here. You will have the one-on-one chats you can create here. And also you will have the channel structure. You can create channels for your marketing people. You can create a marketing channel, for example. And you will be able to, like any other communication tool, you will be able to send files, voice messages, and even emojis. So you can use other collaboration features of us as well for your internal communication. So what's important here, for example, if an employee leaves, a lot of work-related details may go with them if they're using any separate tool for their communication, right? But with CloudOffix, all data stays securely within the company. So the one-on-one chat feature is also incredibly simple. You can send direct messages, share documents. Every message you will receive also trigger a mobile notification. So you can also communicate while using the mobile CloudOffix application. So let's now move into the employee experience side of CloudOffix. I also want to show you. For the employee side, we have HR Cloud and employee models. Here, again, you will have Kanban view. As you may notice, it's really similar with the contact. Let's go one of them. Let's go Sarah Parker, for example. When I opened it, again, I have tab structure. I can see like the timesheets, contracts, leaves left in days, leaves left in hours, appraisals, advances, and I can have all the information related to employee, like the address, position detail, and like you will have manage and control everything. You will even have the checklist in the onboarding process. Rather than that, you will have the assignment management system, allocations, you can manage activities here. And if you need any other thing, like if you like to see education information here, you can also see it. And you can customize this page according to your needs. And what is beautiful here, our organizational chart. So one of the standout feature here is the organizational chart, which provides a clear and interactive overview of your company's structure. You can quickly view it, even make changes to the organizational chart or employee records directly from the platform. For instance, if I open an employee card, I immediately access the 360-degree view of that employee. Within the card, all detailed information is organized, including attendance records, timesheet, like contracts, appraisal I showed you. So these features exemplifies what we call the 360-degree experience across all clouds in CloudOffix. So it just not related to contact. You can also have it in the HR cloud as well. I just want to quickly show that. Let's continue with our scenario. So with that, let's move into the marketing cloud to explore the event management model. I will show you how to create a webinar, manage attendees, and generate leads, right? So here we have our marketing clouds, and you will see the events model inside. Let's go to the event model. You can place here the events you will attend as an organizer, but you don't have to be organizer. Even if you are attendee, you can still place them. You will again have the Kanban view. You can have the all related information like the attendee number before going into the event card. Like you will have other informations, general informations like the date of the event, time of the event. And let's go one event. Here we have example of introduction to CloudOffix events. So here you can organize your event while using CloudOffix. Let me show you. You will have tab structure again. You can see all the detail of attendees. You can show all the mail you sent your attendees, tracks, and sponsor. If you have any sponsorship, you can go and see it. Here you will be able to manage all the necessary information. You need to select a category, for example, if it's an online event or it's a physical event. You can manage your other settings according to that. For this event, it will be online. And here we also have the Zoom integration. So you can create this Zoom link for this event very easily. You don't have to go open the Zoom application. You can control it from there. So you don't need to go anywhere else. So also we have the time zone management start and end date, and you need to set the attendee information. If you limit it, your campaign and everything will limit with your settings, right? What is a beautiful feature here is the email template, email scheduling. You can schedule registration email. You can say that I want to send email all my attendees. Immediately after each registration, you can send them a thank you for registration email, for example. Or you can set mail automation like the reminders. You can say that I want to remind all my attendees one day before the event. Let's do one more together. I can send a survey, for example, right? I'm just go come there, create it, and I want to set it after the event. I want to see the satisfaction level of my attendees. And after the event, the one day later, I want to send this automation survey. See how easy I can automate this mail. I can schedule it. Rather than that, I have the collaboration functionality again. Starting from the creation of the event, CloudOffix save all the information about the event, right? So we set all our informations and we are ready for this event. What's the next step? Let's publish a website, and that way we can invite our attendees, right? Let's publish it. So here I designed it for this demo, but if you like, you can change the designing really easy. You will have these templates. Maybe you want to add some image, for example. You can change everything. You can add more image boxes, backgrounds, anything you like. You can also go with the HTML code of your design. So here you see the CloudOffix CMS functionality. So you can use CloudOffix content management system, as you can see here. But if you already have your own website, we don't require you to use our CMS. We can always create landing pages or web pages using CloudOffix CMS functionality. And we can also integrate with the company's already existing CMS. Now that we create the website for the event, and we have the basic information about our events, let's continue. The next step is to announce this event, right? We should notify our customers and prospects about the webinar. So from here, I'm heading directly to CloudOffix email marketing application. I don't need to go anywhere else, any other tools. Just from there, I will open the email marketing. So I will send with the mass mailing campaign, I will send my designed beautiful web page about my event to my potential attendees, right? So here in the mass mailing, still you will have the Kanban view. You can check control how many of them replied in percentage. You can see the delivery stage of them. You will have the event dates and other informations. You can check your statistic here. Also, you will have the stage structure. So with drags and drops, you can change the stage of your campaigns. And let's go. I want to show the detail of the mass mailing campaign. For this, for example, let's edit it. So I want to highlight this feature of CloudOffix. We are really improved, we are really powerful on the segmentation side. Here you can segmentize with any information related to the contact. As you can remember, we can add any information we like. It means if CloudOffix have this information, you can make some segmentation about that contact. For example, you can say that I want to run a campaign for the contacts who have birthday for birthday this month. So the possibilities are limitless. You can do any campaign, any customization here. Again, you will have the CMS functionality. You can design your mail here. For save time, I don't want to go to the detail. I designed it for you already. So you will have test mailing functionality. You can test your mail before sending, or you can directly send to your all contacts, all customers. And here again, you will have the collaboration feature. I sent for this event an email to Leslie. Let's go to the Leslie mail and check your mails. And here, Leslie received the total experience webinar mail. Now assume that I am the lessee. I came here, I see the beautiful design template, and here I have the go to register page button. Sorry, I wanna open it in cognitive mode. When I came here, I can basically easily register from there, right? I can see the one person didn't set a price. It's a free event. I see the other related information. I'm just go for the register now. So as you can see here, all informations came automatically directly from the CloudOffix because it has all my information. So it's the little things can save a lot of time. So it's also a really great feature of us. I'm just click continue. I registered. I see my registration information, right? So what else I can do? I see your website. Maybe I just want to go check your e-commerce, your website shop page. So let me dive my monitor into like this. So here we have the CloudOffix in backend, right? Here we have the how Leslie view the website, right? So from there, I can say that back in chat, then maybe I interested with this denim jacket. I am found CloudOffix very interesting, and I wanna have the demo account, and I wanna have this jacket for it. Let's assume I say that can I have a demo of CloudOffix? When I sent this message, immediately I received this chat internally, as you can see here. So Leslie came here, and I will turn back like the sure, we will schedule. And then she received my message, and now we can think like that she wanna attend my event, right? And also see my website, go to the shopping area and chat me. So I can think she has a great potential for me to sell my product, right? Then I will be basically turn her to a new lead for my salesperson came here. And I will give a name. I will say that this, for example, I can create a lead from this chat with just like this. Let me show you. So I create these leads by using the chatbot, but Leslie didn't receive anything, right? Let's go to the process in CloudOffix. I will close this page. So here I created the lead for my sales team. I'm just going there, and as you can see here, our chat history automatically came here. So as a salesperson, I can see it, check it, I can see all the related information, Then I can make my calls. Let's say I called her. When I did that, my call save here, and the other salesperson, when the salesperson came here, can see all details of my callings. I can schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting with Leslie while using our meeting application. So CloudOffix meeting application, you can like integrate with the other meeting application. We can integrate with them, or you can use CloudOffix meeting application as well. Let's schedule it for the tomorrow. It's too early. Let's say CloudOffix introduction meeting, for example. I will easily add the attendees here. I can give tags. It's the customer meeting. I can set reminders. I can say that remind me before the 15 minutes, or I can say that remind me from CloudOffix, but also remind me by email. Or you can customize it according to your demands. And you can give a description. Here, you can create it with the CloudOffix meeting application. You will have the moderator URL and connect URL. Also, you can do it with the Zoom or Microsoft Teams as well. Let's save it. Now I have a meeting with her. But if I wanna let's assume she is busy on this day, I need to change this hour of meeting. I'm just with the drag and drop like this. I can change the timing, right? So it's really easy. And after I change it, she will be notified about that change. So with the navigation area, I'm turning back to my leads. Then I have my meeting. Meeting went well, let's say. I have meeting notes, and I can say that done with it, and I want to schedule the next action, next meeting, right? Or you can just write your notes and make it done. What else you can do here? You can like schedule to-dos. You can attain some to-do, any person, any colleagues. You can need to select your assigned person, and you can need to select the monitored person. Let's attend like the schedule one more meeting, let's say. I'm assigned to myself. I'm scheduling it. And you can see, I can see all the details of this assignment. So we also have the assignment mechanism inside. So then I do my callings, I have my meetings, so I can now turn this lead to opportunity, right? Because it has a great opportunity for me to go further. So let's make it opportunity. CloudOffix remind me that you have the similar leads, you want to merge them with the existing opportunities, or you want to create it as a new opportunity. Because we will have demo, let's convert a new opportunity. So here you need to assign a salesperson, and you need to assign a sales channels. I want it in this channel, and I will create this opportunity. As you can see, without going anywhere else, now I have a new opportunity. So if I think like there is a high potential, I can give priorities, like give 3 stars. It makes it when I go to the channel, I will be see on top, right? And rather than that, you will see the all details in the top structure. I can go the calls, I can go the similar leads meeting, and I have this history with me. So let's go to the CRM, and I will show you the sales channel structure as well. Here I divide them according to their region, but you can divide it, make your pipeline according to your like, right? Let's go with the pipeline. So here I have the stage. So I can control all my opportunities here with their stages. So I can change their stage with just drags and drops like this. And when I do that, as you can see, the stage automatically changed, right? Here are opportunity created before. So you can also use it from there as well. So what else? Let's prepare a quotation for our potential customers. I came here and then just click the new quotation. What I need is add items, right? We have inventory system inside. So all products and all detail, all information about your products is known from the CloudOffix. She liked the CloudOffix consultancy, for example. When I choose my service, the unit price automatically came. I have a chance to determine its discount like this. It calculates automatically, as you can see, or you can go with the vice versa like this. It can calculate automatically the percentage of discount. So let's don't make any discount here. And then CloudOffix asked me that you want to save it and close, or you want to save it or add a new item. So let's also add the jacket because she likes it, right? I will go with the denim jacket. And again, even if a service or product, unit price and other informations came here automatically. Now I am done with my items. I will make it save and close. Sorry, where is my dynamic jacket? Yeah. Now we're ready. I duplicated, sorry. I just removed it. As you can see, if you do any mistakes, you can correct it like in seconds. So you can choose the change the discount amount here as well. So what else? I'm ready with my items. So as a next step, I need to send to her to my quotation, right? So I will go there, send by email. Then I will be able to see my template email. So she will be receive this email and have an option to accept and sign online by using CloudOffix. But also she will have this PDF. So you can think this PDF as white label. So you can add your logo, your colors, your font, everything. Here I design it like this. So you can see the detail of the quotation. And you can use this template, but also save it as a new template. And when you save as a new template, you can use it further, right? Also, you will have a schedule send feature. So you can send it like the tomorrow morning, for example. Let's send my quotation. And again, let's go to the lessee's view. So lessee open her Gmail account and see the quotation received, right? Here we designed this email like this, and she received his quotation, right? And also you can send the invoices, but after the confirmation of the sale. Let's open it in a cognitive monitor. Here you will have the all information about the quotation. Let's assume, let's say like this prices and wanna accept it, right? She will came here and let's say this is her signature and she can go with the accept and sign. And she will receive the thank you. And then we have her signature here. And we see all the details about this quotation. So I'm done with my activities about this sales. So I need to confirm this sale. Without going anywhere else, I can confirm it from there. If I choose the confirm and sale only, it's just a sale. If I choose the confirm and one, I will change this opportunity stage to one, right? So let's confirm it. And if you like any update, you can do it. CloudOffix warns you. And here, what's important is CloudOffix start automatically a project for you for your delivery project, right? So you don't have to use any other tools. You can manage your delivery project with the project cloud directly going from there. You can also create an invoice. Let's create an invoice together. Now we have service. So we have these different options because we have subscription management system as well, right? So let's create and new invoices. As preparing the quotation, preparing the invoices is really simple. You can create it and then validate it. It's ready for you to send your invoice to your customer. You can print it, register payment, or just send by email. Again, you will have great designed mail template, and you will have the invoice PDF. So let's send it. Now we're done with this process, right? And as you can see, we start from the marketing, we turn this lead to opportunity. So what else? I can, as a sales manager, I can wanna check how it's other sales going, right? So for that reason, I can go with my sales cloud to see like the coming to the CRM and the dashboard. So we have really colorful, beautiful page for the dashboards. You can control everything, like you can see the open leads in the pie chart. You can have other charts. And you can compare the activities done today with the yesterday activities. And you can see all your calls, all your invoices, everything with this dashboard system. So every information here, like update automatically. So you can, as a manager, watch it and make your decision according to them. So let me show you the project cloud really quick as well. Here you will have your projects, right? You will have subtask of it. So if it's biddable, you will have this icon. You can like give the importance and you can assign someone any project about it. For the detailed information. So you will have timer here. You will have SLA integration. You can control all your timesheets here. You can control checklist here. You can assign someone here. Also, you can determine dependencies. So this is our project cloud. There are a lot of any other features I just want to show you, but as you can see, every cloud is quite powerful on their own. So it takes like days to explain everything. So for today, we are end of the demo session. So we want to see